Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Comica CVM-VM10-K2 multifunction smartphone video kit. So this is a stand and microphone for a smartphone, and this video is a little different from a lot of the ones I shoot because usually I shoot them on my phone. But I'm using the phone in this video, so I'm shooting this on my iPad today. And this was provided to me by Comica, but they are not telling me what to say and they're not compensating me for this review. And if you wish to purchase one of these, I'll put a link in the description, and that has my Amazon affiliate link. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit. It doesn't cost you anything extra. So let's take a look at this here. Okay, it looks like we get a case here. Okay, this is a padded. This is kind of a, I don't know what you call this material. It's like a synthetic, it's almost like a synthetic denim. I forget what it's called. And there's foam padding in here. Some silica gel. Warranty information. This looks like a kind of a business card here. And we have the user manual. And this is, I think this is probably for wind. And here's a connector cable. And this is for, this phone has a headphone jack, but if you don't have one, you'll need to use an adapter. So we have a little tripod here. This is the phone holder. And we have a microphone. Take the wind guard off. And let's see, let's look at the package here. So what we have, it's a super cardioid. It says mini and light. It supports iOS and Android, easy to install, flexible combination, CNC processing. And here's the back. Okay, so let's look at this tripod first. So this has swing out legs on it. There's rubber on these legs. Let me readjust my camera here. And then it has adjustment here. It looks like you push in on this and that clamps down. So you press on this, you get it to the angle you want, and then it clamps. So if you had this on a picnic table, for instance, and the picnic table was, you know, offset, you can level the head. And then you thread on here to your camera and you tighten it up using this. And this is the smartphone holder here. This has like a shoe attachment for connecting the microphone. And we turn this to make it bigger. This is a lot beefier than a lot of the smartphone attachments I've seen. So I'll stick the phone in there and then I can tighten this down. Okay, so there's rubber in there, it's keeping it very secure. Okay, and then this can thread on here. Oh, and there's also an attachment here to thread on. Okay, then the microphone slides on like this, and it looks like we turn this knob to tighten it down. So there's the full setup, and it has this anti-vibration mount here. Does this come out? Let's see. Yeah, this looks like it does unclip from there. And then when you hook this up, you want to take the one with, there's 3 conductors here. I'll show you the difference here, if I can get it to focus right. Okay, so you want this black one, and see there's a little icon in here for your phone. That one goes into your phone. This one goes into the microphone. It goes like this. Okay. Then that one will plug in to your headphone jack, like that. So now I'll go to my camera, go to video, I'll start recording video. Okay, so now I'm recording video with both cameras. So I'll turn it around and start speaking. So I have it pointed towards me now. So this is a test of the Comica microphone. And this is actually how I would record quite often if I'm, say, in my shop and I'm recording something. I want to record my voice, not necessarily what's in front of the camera. And then if I'm recording something in front of the camera, I can just turn this around. I'll show you how I turned that around. I just loosened this up, slide it in, tighten it down. And then you could also take this mount and hold it with your hand, like so. So it could be like a handheld mount. That's pretty nice. I have a little tripod mount that's portable, but it's kind of weak. I like this, has a much wider base on it. The one I have, you have to splay the legs out, and this is much more sturdy. So I can press that in. Okay. And now I have it level. This is the wind muff here. So there's the wind muff on there. So if I'm ever filming outside, this would keep the wind noise from showing up. And actually, I do make car videos sometimes on windy days, and I have difficulty sometimes with wind noise on my microphone. So I think this will really come in handy here. So this may seem weird to some people, you know, to put a microphone like this on a smartphone, but the image quality of my camera I love. It's fine. The audio is where I really suffer. This has way better video quality than the video cameras I used to use back in the day. I mean, they're not even in the same ballpark. And my old like Handycam and my mini DV camera, but the audio is suffering on this thing because the microphone's back here, and I want to either record audio in front or behind the camera. So that's that. And now I'll let's see. I'm going to make a noise and I'll spin the camera around, and we'll see what the audio is like. Testing 1 2 3. 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 So now I'm going to do a comparison recording with my iPhone without the microphone and with the microphone. So this is without the microphone. Welcome. In this video I'm going to be looking at this Comica microphone case. On the microphone. Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Comica microphone case. Okay, so that's a basic look at the Comica CVM-VM10-K2, and I'll probably be making some more videos with this because I'm really intrigued by this setup here. And if you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.